Tesla's referral program is back, and this time it's better than ever. Here's the scoop. Click any referral link you have, or better yet, use mine in the description below. Not only will you score a cool $1,000 off your new Tesla, but you'll also be supporting this channel so I can make more helpful videos for you. How it works. Click the link. It's that simple. Click the referral link and you're on your way to saving $1,000. Tesla mentions using the code at checkout, but it's best to click the link directly when ordering just to be safe. That's it. You just saved $1,000 on your new Tesla. Important note. Tesla says you can't add the referral code after you've placed your order. So don't miss out on those savings. Use the link when you order. How long will this last? Well, it's Tesla, so who knows? It could end tomorrow, or it might stick around for a while. My advice, don't wait. If you want that $1,000 discount, grab it now. Remember, using my referral link is a win-win. You get a sweet discount, and I get to keep making helpful content for you. See you when you're back here with your brand new Tesla.